Okay, so I've installed the big bore kit, the racing cams, the lighter push rods, the competition valve kit, the K&N air filter, the exhaust, the free flow exhaust system. And the one thing that really messed me up yesterday was the power commander. One of the connectors that came on the power connector that go on the ignition coil did not match the connector on the ignition coil I have on my bike. So I had to do some electrical work, which I did not enjoy. Anyways, I couldn't get the bike started yesterday, major frustration, and I went through the wiring diagram again last night, and this morning I came up with a solution, and let's see if the bike runs now. Here she is. I installed a new battery as well. She runs. Low idle. Okay. No weird noises, just a bit of a low idle. I'll need to sort that out. Happy days.